Hello, my friends. Today we make French croissant. Exactly the original recipe and the way how to make it so easy at home. You will never spend time buying croissant anymore. And as you see, fantastic inside and outside. Let's start. If this first time to watch my channel, I would be happy if you make subscribe and put like when you do the video. This is the ingredients. I will write it down in description box. First we put water, yeast, mix little of sugar and little of flour, and cover it and leave it before we do anything at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you see, it's make bubbles. That means is active. So I put milk, sugar, flour, salt, all ingredients as you see. Mix it all, and the butter make it soft, and 1 egg yolk, 5 gram milk powder, you mix all ingredients together. When it becomes sticky dough, you use your hand as you see. Dust with little flour, and this is very important step to make really dough. You must do as I'm doing now. Just push up, down, stretch the dough, make it nice fluffy. After that, cover, leave it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes in the fridge, we take out again. Mix the dough, you really stretch it as you see. Cover, keep in the fridge for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see the dough more soft, more easy, and this is what we need. And you can feel very smooth surface, and you can roll it, and you can feel the taste stretch. Now we cover for 1 hour. In meantime, we cut square 15 by 15 centimeter this bourrage steps, and we put 135 gram of butter, 138 gram, and you fold it like you make envelope. This helps you to make a real square shape, all the same size. And then we roll it. If it's not correct, you can see, you make it again. Butter paper, you can see it's smooth, and they go inside exactly the edges of the butter. You see? This very important step to make butter all same size, and we bring this after 1 hour, really nice soft dough, and we put as you see, fantastic, very soft, it's resting. I put bourrage step. I put the butter inside like envelope. We close it exactly opposite side, so it can be like envelope that makes sure all butter exactly inside. We close it very well. The butter is everywhere in the dough. Then you roll the dough 20 centimeter wide, 45 centimeter long, and all the time you must keep in the shape. If square, rectangular, exactly the shape. I bent it down. This 20 in 45 centimeter. So I keep all sides in the same shape. As you see, I can cover with plastic film, and I roll inside the plastic film. As you see, it's keep inside the shape. 45 centimeter, 20 centimeter wide. Plastic film helps to make the dough really nice and inside the shape, because every step we make, and that help. I cut the edges to be sure the butter is everywhere, and then this called double fold. This croissant we fold it 2 times, one double like this, and next time we put single. I will show you. Now it's double. And now I put back to the fridge at least 2 hours. After 2 hours I take off. I dust my table. I roll again. Here maybe 15 centimeter and 50 centimeter long. So 15 centimeter wide and 50 centimeter long. That give me long fold. Only one fold this time, not double, single. As you see, I try as much as I can make all the shape rectangular straight. Then I remove by brush all the flour, because the flour make resistance between the layer. So I remove by brush. Again I cut the edges and I fold it once. This called single. Last, I cover and I leave it for 2 hours. As you see, I try as much as I can. All the time I put in parchment paper or plastic film, and I try to make the shape square so the whole fold be in order. This after 2 hours. I make see this, the dough is not stretching, is little strong, you stop, you put back in the fridge. If you feel it's hot or the butter goes out, you stop direct. I try to spread the dough. I feel resistance, so I cover and I leave it in the fridge for 15 minutes. It's very easy. When you not feel the dough is good, just put back in the fridge to rest. Now, after 15 minutes, you will see it's very easy. Very easy to roll, very easy to feel the dough. Now I cut the edges. I use ruler or roll, and now I cut the size I want, big or small, any shape you want in your croissant. Now you roll it. And then, very important, I push the end of the triangle to be soft, and then it will be like glue for me for the croissant. One more time, the end is very important. When you push, it's melting, and then when you roll it, it becomes like glue stick the croissant inside. I put in silver sheet and make egg wash now, and when is fermented, after fermentation I make again egg wash 2 times. This first time, and after fermentation 45 minutes I put hot water underneath when I bake it, so it gives steam if the oven have no steam. And as you see, finalization. Thanks to be in my channel, Ahmed Yunus.